Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, I will show you the fourth sample video for Celpip listening to problem solving task. If you want to see all of the Celpip tutorials, then you can search on YouTube by writing Celpip Store. You will find all the other tutorial series here. Listening part is having 6 practice tests and 1 practice task as well. Total time allocated with the listening section is 50 minutes. Please keep in mind that question will be played only once in the actual Celpip test. Now, let's start with Celpip listening to problem solving task. You will hear 3 conversations in this part. Each conversation will be followed by 2 to 3 questions. There are total 8 questions in this section. The first conversation is of around 1 to 1.5 minutes, followed by 3 questions. Generally, the first question is to select a picture of the place where a person is looking to reach, and you are given 30 seconds to select the right or relevant picture. Similarly, 2 more conversations of around 1.5 minutes followed by questions are presented, and again you are given 30 seconds for each question. Let's take an example now. Please listen to the audio very carefully.
Excuse me, could you show me the way to the train station?
Yes, sure. It is nearby. Keep walking straight. After you pass the traffic lights, you have to turn right and then take a left turn and across the bus station. You will find a train station.
Oh, thank you so much. Actually, I am new to this place. I have only been to Canada for 2 days. I don't know how to get anywhere.
Oh, I can understand your situation, as I have also been to Canada for the last 3 months.
Oh, thanks for your help. I have to get a train. Hope I don't miss the train.
Okay, good luck.
Here is our first audio. Let's start with our first question. Our first question is,
Question 1.
What was the man eventually hoping to find?
now we have 4 options. As discussed earlier, options in the first question will be in the form on images, so in the question we have 4 images. Option 1 is bus stand, option 2 is airport, option 3 is hotel, and option 4 is train station. According to the audio, we can listen very carefully that the man wanted to go to train station to get train. So thoughts why option 4 is the correct option, that is train station. Let's move to our next question. Here is our question 2. Our question 2 is,
Question 2.
What best describes about the woman's intentions?
now we have 4 options on the right hand side. Option 1, she isn't interested in helping. Option 2, she showed the right path. Option 3 is, she is also new to that place. And option 4 is, she makes a guess. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the man was new to the place, so she took help of woman to go to the train station, and on the other hand the woman guided about train station to the man very well. So accordingly, option number 2 is the correct option, that is, she showed the right path. Now, let's go to the next question. Our next third questions is,
Question 3.
What was the man asking about?
here are our 4 options. Option 1, man asked for the way to the bus station. Option 2, man asked for the way to the train station. Option 3 is, man asked for the way to the police station. And option 4 is, man asked for the way to the gas station. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the man was asking about train station, so accordingly our second option is the correct option. As discussed earlier, you will listen second audio. After completing first 3 questions, let's listen to the second audio. Here is our second audio.
What happened, sir? Why are you so worried?
Actually, I missed the train to Manchester. Can you help me find the other alternatives to reach there?
Yes, sure, you can reach the by bus. The bus station is nearby and it's even not too late.
Oh, thank you. I really want to reach there today itself. I have an interview for a job.
But you must hurry, as there are only a few buses which will drop you on time.
Yes, I would be leaving soon. Thanks for the information.
Hurry up, you have just 5 minutes to reach the bus station.
Now move to the fourth question. Our fourth question is,
Question 4.
How did the man meet the officer?
here we have 4 options. Option 1 is, while walking in the park. Option 2 is, while going back to his bus. Option 3 is, when he missed the train. And option 4 is, when they were both looking at a sign. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the man missed his train, so he was planning to get some other way to traveling. While searching, the man met the officer. So accordingly, third option is the correct option. That is when he missed the train. Let's see our fifth question. Our fifth question is,
Question 5.
Which statement is correct?
now we have 4 options. Option 1 is, he was going for an interview. Option 2 is, the officer asked him the way to bus station. Option 3 is, he helped him by using a smartphone. And option 4 is, he spent his time walking with the officer. In the audio, we can listen very clearly that the man was going for an interview. So accordingly, option 1 is the correct option. That is, he was going for an interview. Let's move to our 6th question. Our 6th question is,
Question 6.
How should the man reach his destination?
we have 4 options. Option 1 is, following posted maps and signs. Option 2 is, taking the bus in 5 minutes. Option 3 is, walk to the airport. And option 4 is, get on the red shuttle bus. We can listen very clearly that man can reach to the interview place by taking the bus in just 5 minutes. So accordingly, second option is the correct option, that is taking the bus in 5 minutes. Now after completing total 6 questions, you will listen to the third audio. After completing third audio, you will listen next 2 questions.
What happened? You are back. I thought you will reach on time and get the bus.
I managed to reach there on time, but the buses were out of service. The people gathered there to catch the bus were too angry to see that.
I am glad you aren't one of them. Now there is no other way left to reach Manchester other than getting a cab.
Yes, I have to get a cab only, but I don't know the way to the cab stand.
No problem. I will guide you the way to the cab stand of North Gate.
So where should I go?
Okay, the North Gate is left to the bus stand, and while walking through the gate you will see a building of a library. Just behind that library, you will find a small cab stand. You be there in 5 minutes.
Thank you, so now I won't be late.
Now, let's go to the next question. Our 7th question is,
Question 7.
How could the man reach on time for the interview?
here is our 4 options. Option 1, he'll just get another bus home. Option 2, the officer would drop him. Option 3 is, he will go inside the library. And option 4 is, he will get a cab. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the man can reach on time for the interview only if he takes cab. So accordingly, option 4 is the correct option. That is, he will get a cab. Let's move to the last question. That is question 8. Here is our question 8.
Question 8.
Where could the man find the cab stand?
We have 4 options now. Option 1, in front of the bus stand. Option 2, behind the North Gate Library. Option 3 is, near a building of a school. And option 4 is, on the right side of the North Gate. We can listen very clearly in the audio that the cab stand is located behind the North Gate Library. So accordingly, second option is the correct option, that is behind the North Gate Library. So, friends, I think this tutorial will give you some idea about how to choose the right option in Celpip listening to problem-solving task. Please register on Celpip Store to experience the real-time based practice platform. Link to join the platform is mentioned in the below description. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel before completing this video. Thanks for spending time with us.